Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to travel with a dog? Let's explore. Traveling with a dog requires careful planning to ensure the trip is safe and comfortable for both you and your pet. If you are traveling by car, it is important to secure your dog properly using a pet seatbelt, crate, or travel harness. This keeps the dog safe and prevents distractions while driving. It is also essential to make frequent stops during long trips to allow your dog to relieve itself and stretch its legs. For air travel, it is important to check the airline's pet policy in advance, as different airlines have different rules regarding pet travel. Smaller dogs may be allowed to travel in the cabin if they can fit in an airline-approved carrier that fits under the seat. Larger dogs will likely need to be transported in the cargo area, so it is important to ensure your dog is comfortable with being in a crate for an extended period. Make sure to acclimate your dog to the crate well before the trip to reduce stress. Before traveling, visit the vet to ensure your dog is healthy and up to date on vaccinations. It is also a good idea to bring along a copy of your dog's medical records, as well as any medications they might need. Additionally, pack essentials like food, water, toys, and a leash to keep your dog comfortable during the trip. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.